Today we're building one of the cleanest, fastest, and most expensive RTRs ever. As you can see, we have a bunch of parts that we're gonna be putting on this bike today. So let's stop wasting time and let's get started. To start us off, we have the RLV chain and the upgraded 72 volt, 35 amp hour mod pack battery. Next, we've got a complete set of black plastics, not only for looks, but so the bike is easier to clean. Then we got the big wheel kit, which comes with new rotors and a bigger sprocket. Finally, we got some grips and the 6.7 Trumoto motor and controller upgrade kit. If we add up the price of all the mods and the bike, the total cost comes out to $5,580, which is kind of crazy. But if you want to buy the bike or any of the mods you see in this video, you can use my discount code Eboxer5 to save some money. It works on anything on their website. We're going to start the build process by taking the entire bike apart until it's just the frame and suspension. This is the worst part of the process. Now that the bike is stripped, I took this opportunity to clean it a little bit before we took the wheels off and started putting some of the other parts on. I decided to start with the easy upgrades that I could do myself, like the rear shock. This is the OEM Ride Height DNM rear shock off the Electro and Co website. It is adjustable and has a 400-pound spring, so it's a little stiff, but it's pretty good. Next, we're going to take the old wheels off, set the new ones up, and put them on. I forgot to record it, but I got the back wheel on, and look at how much bigger it is compared to the stock front wheel. And for those who are wondering, the wheel setup is 14/17 inch. Now we're installing the 13,000 watt Trumoto kit, and the first step to doing that is installing the motor. Next step is to install the controller. Alright guys, so I didn't record it, but it's put together, and now let's put it on the bike. Next, we put on the real surron throttle that comes with the kit and a 3-speed switch. We redid the motor wiring. This is the proper way. After we were done installing all the electrical parts besides the battery, we did some cable management, and then we just started plugging things in, which is pretty easy because most things only go to one plug, and the kit comes with instructions, so it's pretty simple to figure everything out. I happen to have an RLV chain laying around, so we're gonna put one on. Just roll it back. Oh, the battery's been charging for a couple of hours, so it's time to see if this thing works. Our display was not plugged in, so we did that, and we did all the settings and stuff. Display's on. The bike is almost done now. All we have to do is a couple of cosmetic things, so let's finish it up so we can ride. Waffle grips. First time trying these. Heard these are pretty good. I like the grips that are thin, so let's put these on. The grips are on. They look great. They feel great. Now for one of the final steps, the plastics. And just like that, our over $5,000 RTR build is finished. Alright guys, Trumoto kit is on. We're going to like a really big jump, like a dirt bike jump, which is perfect to try out on this bike. Alright, let's switch it into mode 2. Oh yes, this is 10 kilowatts I believe, and it goes to 13. Oh, that feels crazy. Wow, the tune feels really good, but it's also kind of weird. Wow, the big wheels make it so much easier to wheelie. I thought it was gonna be harder because they're way knobbier, but it's actually easier. We gotta go left, we gotta go left. The big wheels make it feel so smooth. It's like my Talaria now.
Wait, were you in mode 3?
No, I was in mode 2. That straight power wheelie, the balance point is so much lower because of the wheels. Bro, I could wheelie it for days with the wheels. Chill. Bro. I didn't hit the brake a single time there. Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yes. Should have waited till it was bedded. That was such a good wheelie too.
You actually didn't even tear up anything.
What about my back? The back fender.
Switch.
I'll be able to ride though. I just need a second. I should have bedded my brakes. We both looped.
Yeah. Well, you never looped that bad?
No, I have just last time. Remember, you looped your KTM. I'm getting pretty good at looping.
I thought you were about to say I was getting pretty good at wheels. I was about to be like, your peg was sparking on the ground.
Nobody was hurt in this video. Everything's done by trained professionals.
Oh, you got the no waffle ones. You like?
No, yeah, I like no waffle.
I kind of do too.
I like how skinny they are.
Yeah.
Now, Electro and Co is going to be watching this video. Why did we send this kid $5,000 worth of parts? Just for him to instantly loop. Oh, shoot. My bars are forward. All right, I'm in mode 3 now.
He is calling me.
Yeah, we know. We're going to come to you, okay? What up? This year converted 65? Or what is that? 125?
Wait, no, it's
nice.
140? 125.
Mode 3. Wow. We're gonna go back down to 2. But I don't want to ride in mode 3. I'm done with power for today. You can hear every single like twitch in the throttle. It's so responsive.
So cold.
I know. I was trying to drop it back a little bit and I looped, so I'm not going to be trying to drop it back until these brakes bed or until I get new brakes. You know what? I can clear it. Thank you, Razor. You know what? I'm going to go in mode 2. I'm not going to try to clear it though. Bro, I can do it, but I'm just scared. My mode 3 feels just like his mode 3 when his bike's fully charged. His might be a little bit more, probably is a little bit more, but they feel almost the same. He has the Electro and Co tune. Bro, are you good?
Oh, I was just like feeling it. It's almost a tad too snappy. I'm a little scared of it.
In what, mode 3?
Yeah, mode 3.
Okay, yeah.
Like I like tapping it.
And you told me to turn it off, remember? You told me to turn the torque off.
Oh, wow.
Bro.
Kind of dead.
Well, now we know it has more range. Let's start off with a big wheel kit, and honestly, I'm really happy with it. It feels really grounded, and I can go like this now, kind of like on my Talaria without being worried about anything. We're at a track right now, basically. Sure, let me just hit this tabletop. They're more for like 4-wheelers. My phone's in here right now. These are on my website. On sale, $10. Cheaper than any other phone / wallet / AirPods / anything pouch that you can find. Go pick one up. I'm also gonna start selling rock lights again soon in the white color. So I know if you've been waiting for that, they're coming back probably before Christmas. One more thing, use code Eboxer5 on anything off Electro and Co. You'll save money and it helps me out. All right, I'm done with like plugging my stuff. Let's just ride now. It's so windy right now. It's kind of sketchy, but you have to do a little pull. Or his front wheel stops rotating. That's kind of what messes him up. Nice. Don't loop, please. Nice. The This motor should be able to handle more. By the way, just so you guys know, the high speed motor is more like heat resistant and stuff than the high torque. The high torque motor is just a mod motor. If you're getting a new motor for it too, I'd recommend the high speed. So, oh my God, bro. It climbs at like nothing. I was expecting it to be a little bit more like my Solaria. Oh.
Yeah, there's like a hole there.
Dude, I'm getting used to it. I like it. The surron throttle, absolutely amazing. What would make it a little bit better is more tension, but it's so much smoother than the Solaria one. Let's go in mode 3 real quick. I want to see if I can do like a kind of like a roll and burnout. Because the tune, oh shoot. Yeah, we can. Oh, it's lifting the wheel. Okay, this is why I don't ride in mode 3. I'm getting used to this bike and like the power and stuff. Oh, I didn't even jump that basically. Let's go do it again. Oh yeah. Dude, he's gonna do that, bro. Every time. Whoa. Yeah. That was sketchy.
Some air. Oh yeah.
Holy, oh my God. I just went over a massive rock and it like almost shot me off the bike. But yeah, guys, I really can't complain about this bike. It's really fun. Thank you to Electro and Co for sending everything out. Wow, this is gonna be my first hill climb on this bike, besides like one really small one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude, this bike's really heavy. I don't want to fall with it. I can't get grip with my shoes. I'm slipping down. Just help me like turn it around, because I'm slipping. I'm literally... You see what I mean? You want to hop on it?
Sure.
Okay. No stopping. Okay, maybe a little bit of... Oh, you got it. You got it. That's what I didn't want to happen. Are you gonna ride it down?
Yeah.
Let me turn mine around too, so I'm not in your way. Don't get stuck. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, just absolutely smacked myself with the tree branch. You've dumped it like every other time. You need help? Man, you're good at using your environment. Is it easy? You better not be lying. Oh, you weren't. I swear they added to this. I don't remember it being this big. All right, I'm gonna try to pick a less difficult route. I got this. Well, let's just do it.
Solid.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think the build came out pretty well. Make sure to like and subscribe and use code Eboxer5 if you buy anything off Electro and Co. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.